Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited to show you my October favorites. The first one, you have not been put onto anything airy, let me put you on because I've been wearing these for the past year, and it is the flared crossover set with the matching bra. How cute. Every time that I wash them, I go right to them. So they're on my weekly rotation. I have this in the Mystic Green. I'm actually wearing the Canyon Sun right now. I need to get their matching bras. Right now I'm just wearing the lemon blue spaghetti strap. But they have every set in like a matching bra and pants. So I need to get that. And then I have the black one as well. They're actually on sale. I think they're like a little crazy with their sales because I checked yesterday. It was 15% off. Today is 40% off. $32.97. Let me see if their bras are on sale. Their bras are not on sale, but they're $39.95. I think it's just such good quality too. Like I literally have been wearing it, like I said, every week for the past year. And these were stretchy, so it kind of held me over while I was pregnant. I got size medium, but I'm still wearing them now because they still fit. And the good thing about theirs that I like is they offer short, long, and regular. Like I love the cut of it and how it has like this thicker strap, and it's kind of cropped but not too cropped. Like if you wear this, like you can see in the video, it doesn't really show too much stomach, like it just a little bit. And I love this green color on me. Like every time this is clean, I'm like, oh yes, I can't wait to wear it. Next, I wanted to show you the karasi shampoo and conditioner set. This has the best smell ever. Like every time I wash my hair, my husband says your hair smells so good. This is their citric acid glycine decalcifying shampoo reparative system, sulfate free. And I have their mask filler repertoire, which I use as, you know, the conditioner. I also have their serum that I just put in like just like a few dabs like on my ends after I'm done. It smells so freaking, I can't even, it just smells like salon. And this is salon grade. Like every time I get my hair blow dried at the blow dry bar, like they use all this product, so it's definitely salon grade. So if you're looking to switch to a system for hair care that's a little more high-end, definitely check this brand out. It's a little pricey, but I will say, like, I got this back in April or May and we are in October and I still feel like it's full. It just lasts so much longer, so it kind of ends up like evening out. Next, I wanted to show this microneedling advice. I came across a video that I'll link on the bottom, Dr. Rajani, and on his thumbnail it said how to increase your collagen by 400% with an $8 at-home device, and he was promoting this. I feel like this too, but like when I don't know how to use something, I'll just like avoid it for the longest time. And I was like, okay dude, like honestly, because I didn't know like how do I do it. Do I do it on my bare face? Do I do it after I moisturize to, like, you know, absorb the moisture? Like it just overwhelmed me, but it's like the easiest thing. So I watched a video, your bare face after washing it, kind of just roll gently, avoid the eye area, but just like around your face twice. You are looking to be able to do it more frequently and not pay as much, like this is definitely a great option to try it at home. It's like a long-term thing, like you need to be consistent with it. So I've been using this native deodorant in cucumber and mint. I used to use the Tom deodorant for the longest time, and honestly it did not work. Like I would smell stinky. I just got this just for the heck of it. I thought that I'd have to like keep respraying it and replenishing so I didn't smell bad. Honestly, this actually works. Like I didn't know that they had this line, but they have for the whole body, for pits, privates, and more. So I was drawn to it because I was like, oh, like I used to wear, I forgot the name of the brand now, but like spray down there. especially like when we have our period mixed with being hot. It's just like not a good situation. Product. This is like a game changer for me because I just haven't found anything that worked till this one. Last but not least, I saved the most intimidating one for last. Hair removal waxing kit. Brand Blitz Wax, and I got it off Amazon. I thought this would be so intimidating because I've done at-home wax before, but it's always been with the Nair products. And I feel like over the years, I just always reordered it from Amazon. Over the years, I could definitely see a difference with their product quality. The strips feel a lot thinner. Like I don't feel like they use enough waxing on the strips like before. I am so hairy and I've always shaved, so I've been on this journey of like wanting to thin out my hair. So I've done it professionally the first time to kind of get the ball rolling. I invested in this, which is not even expensive, and honestly it's the easiest thing ever, and it's so much better than the strips. Like I said, I'm so hairy. There are certain areas I still won't do. Like I still won't do, like I'll do the bikini area, but I won't like go inside. Like that's just too much for me still. At least I won't have to go for my armpits, which is like the fastest growing, and my legs, and just like certain other areas that I'll do too. It's okay, so let me explain. So it comes with, you know, the thing that you pour the wax in, heat that up to 180. Like the instructions are so easy. It comes with these variety of beads, and they are dermatology tested, made with natural ingredients, 100% cruelty free. So I've used their chocolate one, they have the white unscented, they have the chamomile, they have the tea tree, and they have the honey. And I love that it's like all colorful. So I've used their chocolate in like a black one, and honestly it's so easy. It's like the non-strip ones. You just put it up, and it comes with this little thing too, like multiple of these. It comes with like the wooden ones too if you prefer that, and you basically just heat it up to 180. Like you put the beans in, I'd put the whole bag in, and stir it up, and you just like swoosh some of the wax, and then you just put on the area. You put it in the direction that the hair grows, and you let it dry. So what I do is I just do like, I would do all the areas I want to do and have like a bunch of patches going on, so then they all dry and you can just like pull instead of like stopping every time and putting it back on your skin. So if I'm doing my leg, I'll just do like all the areas where I see hair in it, and it literally takes like 10 seconds to dry, just cool off, and you literally just pull the wax out. So you don't need any waxing strips. You don't need to buy any of that. You just, once it's done, you just like keep buying more beads, and it's just comes with the pre-wax spray so that you can like remove any oil to like let the wax penetrate a little bit better, and then the post waxing, which is the oil to kind of just soothe your skin from any irritation. I didn't experience anything with like burns as long as you follow the directions. And then one tip that I would give it all, make sure like once you wax, like a day or 2 days after, make sure to exfoliate to prevent yourself from having any ingrown hairs. This is probably my best purchase of 2024. Like literally it's just such a game changer for me in so many ways, like money, having to get professionally waxed, like having to get in the car and go to an appointment and sitting down and being tortured. That is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like more videos like this, to subscribe so we can stay in touch. Have an amazing, peaceful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.